Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Vivo X60 series to arrive on December 28 with the Exynos 1080 and 120Hz screen. This is the latest leaks about the upcoming Chinese phone. The Vivo X60 series will be the first phone running on the 5nm Exynos 1080 chipset. The company previously revealed we should expect an announcement this month, and now reliable leak start digital chat station claim the date will be December 28. The report further says that the phone will feature 120Hz Samsung made display with a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. It appears Vivo will only unveil the phone but will launch them on the market several days later. The previous lineup, the Vivo X50 series, was introducing in the July, but it looks a few months for the mightest Vivo X50 Pro Plus to appear outside China. A previous leak told us that the back panel will be similar to the predecessor, the Vivo X50, with the rectangular camera island and 3 or 4 shooter, while on the inside anything less than 33-watt fast charging, 8 gigs of RAM and 512GB storage will be a surprise. Also, the 3C listing of the, as you can see, mentioned Vivo phones revealed that they may arrive with the support of 33-watt fast charging. The images of the Vivo X60 that appear in last week revealed that will continue to spot rectangular shaped camera module like it's the predecessor's smartphone. At present, there is no clear information available on the specification of the Vivo X60 series smartphone. The Exynos 5nm chip designed for a upper mid-range phones. However, a Antutu benchmark of the chipset that surfaced in last month revealed that the SoC can deliver flagship-like performance. The benchmark of the engineering unit powered by the Exynos 1080 revealed the presence of spec like FHD plus resolution 1080p by 2376 pixel at 120 refresh rate, 8 gigs LTDDR5 RAM, 500 gig 12GB UFS 3.1 storage. This phone may break cover as the Vivo X60 series smartphone. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Vivo X60 smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.